Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, we have spiked lemonade. All right, first thing we want to do is in a little bowl, put a half a cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice in with a quarter cup of warm water. Then we want to add a quarter cup of sugar. Then you want to grab a whisk and whisk this until the sugar is dissolved. Takes about, 30 seconds, 45 seconds. As you can see here, I have a small pitcher filled with ice. To that, I added a half a cup of cold water. Now our lemonade mix. Last but not least, this is spiked lemonade, so we got to have some booze in there. And you want 3 shots of Captain Morgan or whatever your favorite rum is. If Captain Morgan is a little too strong for you, you can certainly use something like Malibu. And then just, in hindsight, I probably should have grabbed a spoon, but grab the whisk and whisk everything around till everything is mixed together. Then you want to grab a standard drinking glass and fill it to the top. This recipe should make 2 of them. And that's that. Spiked lemonade. Done.